Morning, YouTube. What up? It's your boy Zeke back with another one. Let me show y'all what we're working with. I don't get no better than this. Look at this. We are right outside, man. Right in the garage, right next to the truck. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this ripped out. We're replacing plenums. Line set staying the same. We're not really adding nothing crazy. So let's go ahead and get this knocked out. All right, we got the door off. Let's go ahead and get high, low voltage disconnected, and we'll get to the gas. All right, we got high volt disconnected. Low volt is dangling up here somewhere. Let's go ahead and get this drain out the way. Condensate pump removed, and then gas. All right, so gas is gone. Flue pipe is out the way. Let's go ahead and get this return plenum off. Then we get the supply plenum. All right, that return plenum is gone. So I'm gonna have to transition to this, but I'm gonna cut a hole back here. Once I get the plenum set, open this up, the grill, and see what I need to do. All right, let's get this supply loose and get these ducts off. All right, so I got these two 10-inch ducts off. I already cut the hole, I just didn't open it. I'm gonna cut the hole, cut the back of this plenum, get that out of here. And then we will get the coil out. Look like he's just about done pumping it down. We're covering the Freon, I mean. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these lines real quick. Get this coil up out of here. All right, line just cut. Let's get the coil up out the way. All right, we got the coil out the way. Let's get this furnace down and remove the drain fan. All right, that's how we're looking. We got the area cleaned out. Let's go ahead and get our pan down, get the furnace on here. Let's go. All right, I got the hole mark for my furnace for the filter rack. Let's go ahead and get that cut. Get the bottom tape, get the filter rack taped on. Let's go. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get this good old shipping bracket off real quick. All right, y'all, got the bottom taped up. You already know. Let's get this filter on. All right, y'all, change your plans. As you can see, we couldn't go with that 5-inch filter because this guy is hitting this guy. So we had to go with the 1-inch, but we're upgrading it to a electric filter. Huh? A little better upgrade. You know what I mean? All right, let's get this coil on, get it. We'll get the furnace feed on and get the coil on, get this return on and start the supply. Let's go. All right, so we got our plenum built. Let's cut. Go ahead and wrap it real quick, get some mastic inside. All right, y'all, so we got this supply plenum up in here, but I can't screw the right side or the back, so I'm gonna do it from the inside. Cut this hole to be able to access it, tape, mastic, all that good stuff. All right, y'all, so we got the mastic on the inside, tape, mastic sealed. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and cover this hole. Keep going. All right, y'all, so we got the hole sealed up. We'll throw some mastic over there, pull the insulation over and tape it. Let's go. All right, we got mastic over our transition. Let's go ahead and pull this insulation over, get it taped, and keep going. All right, y'all, so we got this thing sealed up. Let's go ahead and start getting these supply ducts on, and we just got that one return duct. Yeah. All right, y'all, we got our supplies on. Let's go ahead and do the gas, high volt, and then we get this return on. All right, let me get this high volt on here real quick. All right, high volt is done, wired up. Inside the cabinet. Let's put the cover on and move to this gas. All right, let's go ahead and get this gas done real quick. All right, gas is done, grounded. Yeah, let's get to this return. And then we got return, drain, and flue. All right, y'all, we got this return on, sealed up. Put a little mastic right there. Yeah, I'm gonna get some in the back, good. All right, let's go ahead and knock out this flue pipe real quick. Yeah. All right, flue pipe is done. I extended this condensate tubing up there. Get it connected here. Let me do the drain and connect this, then low volt. We're done. All right, drain is done. Let's go ahead and get this low volt, and we are finished. All right, so low voltage is done, wired into the cabinet nice and neat. It's fully communicating. I'm breaking my transformer for the safeties. And also we got an electric filter, so I am powering it with RNC. Let's go. Oh, okay, I wanna make sure. All right, YouTube, we done. This is how it turned out. Not bad. Replaced both plenums, brought the flue pipe up the code, gas up the code, drain, put the condensate pump in the pan, got the S30 going on. Not bad at all. All right, like the video, show your boy some love, like, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Catch you on the next one.